Hey all, good evening. Today, me and my team are here with you to launch our Techvision platform. You must have known us with the contents in the community we built on Instagram and WhatsApp. So, after so many sleepless nights and handful of iterations, we are finally launching the final version of Techvision. So, before moving on to the launch, let me introduce my team with you, the team behind Techvision. So, first, let me introduce my Jenny. So, he is a designer and social media manager. Say hi to Jenny.
Hello,
And
guys.
moving on to the next team is our social content marketing team with Shivani and Avantika. They take care of the contents and the blogs that Techvision post.
Hello. Hello all.
Yeah. And next is our event team with Harini and Kiriba Ganesh. They take care of the events which Techvision organizes.
Hello all.
வணக்கம் guys.
Yeah. And a long list of interns. And last but not least, our Techvision's co-founder Vijay.
Hello guys, good evening.
Yeah, I started with my team first because Techvision is what it is today, only because of a team effort and all the love from our community. So over to Vijay for the introduction.
Yes, thank you, Surinder. So, hey all, thanks for joining this Sunday evening. And this shows your loud Stuart Techvision. And our team is working very so hard for the past couple of months and the sleepless nights, which ended up being craft a final product which helps you to upskill yourself. And we have did it for you. And another one more thing is we are building a culture and code in our team to promote entrepreneurship in our team. So if you want to join our team, you can mail us at techagenthelp@gmail.com. We would love to hear from you and enjoy the event. And one more surprise for you is if you use the code techie, you will be getting a flat 50% off on all our products. Okay, so yeah. Now, our founder Surinder will introduce our product. Yeah, let's go, which is the launch event.
Yeah, thank you, Vijay, for the introduction. So I'm going to quickly explain what is Techvision and what we're trying to build so far, and then we'll go for the launch. So we are actually trying to reduce the unemployment rate, but that is actually a very broad statement. So how we're going to do is that we have built Techvision as a platform which provides everything a student needs under a single window. By everything, I mean everything which you need to upskill, and we are concentrating more on tier 2 and tier 3 college students. I hate to stereotype this, but just in this case. So we're going to provide all the resource and experience and Ivy League students gets to all the students in India, no matter what, at an affordable cost. So except the nuclear launch codes, everything you need is available on the internet. But the problem here is that they are scattered and we don't know where to learn, what to learn, and how to learn. So don't worry, we are going to curate all these contents for you. So let me start with our first product, introducing Techvision online bootcamps. So we've launched an online bootcamps to accelerate your skill development with our live classes. So each bootcamp is a combination of lectures and Q&A sessions. So you can get your questions and doubt answers by experts with extensive real-world experience. So after you enroll, every weekend you'll be having a live classes. So as of now, the registrations for startup and marketing bootcamp is open. So we're planning to launch many more bootcamps in the coming week. So stay tuned. And moving on to the next product is our Techvision Forum. We are actually the world's first platform which uses meme-based learning. And here we've curated all the scattered resources in the web and memified them as a learning path. So right now we have around 10 learning paths in our website, and we are adding more in the coming weeks. So here you'll know exactly where to learn and how to learn skills. So moving on to the next product is our Techvision Grow. This one we built it for your personal development. So this consists of daily challenges, and it can after daily challenges you'll be able to take only one challenge per time. So just make sure you complete the challenge and get the benefits right. And we also have a discussion group on both on our website and Discord, so you can share your experience and meet with people over there. And many of you would have been stuck at some point in your life on what skills to learn and how to choose a career path. Say no more, we are introducing career guides. So this comprehensive career guides helps you to choose a career, and we are also we are actually trying to choose a career path and bringing career counselors in a platform for a one-on-one mentorship for our community members. And we also have 6 career guides right now, and we're planning to release 20 more in the coming weeks, so stay tuned. And other than this, our website has internship offers, some top startups, college events to keep you updated. So you will be experiencing all of these products with an amazing community of India's smartest minds. We have a Discord server, so join the server and start networking with peers. So I think now you may have understood why I say we are going to try reducing the unemployment rate at the first place. So TechVision is just like a friend to you for upskilling. We provide you an all-round experience for you to build both professionally and personally at an affordable cost or no cost at all. The reason I'm saying no cost is that we have our own referral program, and some of our community members earn more than 20K a month by referring their friends to TechVision. So even if you're broke, we are affordable. So all of this is possible only if we work together as a community and make changes in our system. I believe we will. So TechVision is a revolution than just a startup. And in the coming weeks, we're planning to organize more events. Next week, we actually have a talkathon event. So join in and unleash your speaking skills. And we also have a startup hackathon and TechVision model integrations lined up in the coming months. So don't miss out, guys. So overall, our vision is to try reducing the unemployment rate by upgrading your college life and providing the best resource and experience for you for upskilling. So that is actually a small gist of what TechVision is all about and the experience we'll provide. And I think now it's time for us to move on for the launch. I don't want to do it myself. I want you all to do it with me, because without you guys, we are actually nothing. And I'll share the link, launch button in the chat box. Wait a second, I'll share it right now. So yeah, if you look at the chat box, there'll be a link in that. So after launching it, it will take you to our updated version of a new website. So in that, in the home page, you can see all our service and enroll in it. So to remind you with, if you use the code Techie, you'll be getting 50% off on all TechVision products until tonight. So I'll give you a couple of minutes to go on to explore the website.
Okay, guys. Yeah, guys. So the launch is successfully completed. So Team TechVision would like to thank you for joining us. I hope you had fun, and I hope you for the upcoming sessions. And each one of you is not a customer, you are a friend and you are a family member. So don't hesitate to reach out us, and you can ask out any sort of helps. It may be technical or it may be non-technical. You can always reach out us, and we are here to help you. And so thank you once again for joining us. We are looking forward to meet you in soon.
Thank you so much, guys. Have a wonderful Sunday evening, and we'll meet you in a couple of days for the next event. Thank you, guys.